Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Inger and today I'll be giving you another DIY glam candle look. So continue to watch. But before we get into this video, please guys subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and follow me on social media. Okay, so for this DIY you would need some ribbon, a blow dryer, your candles of course, some Reynolds wax paper or whatever wax paper you can get your hands on, of course the tissue paper and some glue. And I did say the scissors, right? Okay, this is what you would need. So I did go ahead and I printed out the logos beforehand, and I used the 8x10 printing paper, and I used the tissue paper and applied it to the paper with some tape, and you place it in your printer face down, and this is the result. And what you can do to get these logos, you can Google them and then you can place them in a Word document or something. This is what I do, and here, as you can see, I placed it in document, and I can expand, I can drag wherever I want to, and that's how I get them and print them out. And what I usually do is I just insert a few different logos onto one page. And with this black candle, I just wanted a layout of the logo, and you guys will see what I'll be doing with it later. I'm gonna first do the Louis Vuitton candle, and I'm gonna cut this out and I'm gonna get around the letters as close as I possibly can. So I'm placing the logo onto the candle, and I'm gonna let it remain still or firm with a little bit of that Elmer's glue. And I'm taking the wax paper and I'm placing it on top of that, and to make sure it's centered and applying properly. Yeah. And then next I will be going over it with a blow dryer. So as you're blow drying and you notice that the shine is appearing on the logo, then you know that it's almost done, but the matte look has to be entirely gone before you remove the wax paper. If you do it while it's still matte, then you would ruin the entire look. And do you remember this black candle? Yeah, well, I'm gonna finish this by placing the pearls onto the candle. I wanted to do it off camera just for the sake of time. And I know you guys wanted to know what I was doing with the red and green ribbon. You just place it onto the candle with some fabric glue, or you can use your hot glue gun. So I did get these candles from Michael's, and they were for under $10 each, but you can get them from wherever you want to, the dollar shop or Walmart. and you can get a really good price on them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and I hope you guys love this chic glam look. And these candles can be placed in any area of your home, from the living room to the bathroom. This is a glamorous and expensive look, and it's very affordable. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.